Pop-up shops are a breath of fresh air in the retail world. They bring a sense of novelty and excitement to shopping, breaking the monotony of traditional retail experiences. Imagine a store that magically appears, creates a buzz, and then vanishes like a mirage. These shops can transform an ordinary space into a vibrant retail hotspot almost overnight. That's the essence of a pop-up shop. They are designed to captivate and engage customers in a way that permanent stores often can't. They are temporary retail spaces that pop up for a limited time. These shops can appear in various locations, from busy city streets to quiet suburban areas. They can last for a single day or for several months. The duration often depends on the goals of the business and the nature of the event. One of the most exciting things about pop-up shops is their element of surprise. You never know when or where the next one will appear, adding to their allure. They offer a unique and exciting way for businesses to connect with customers. This direct interaction can build stronger relationships and foster brand loyalty. They can test new markets, launch new products, or create memorable brand experiences. This flexibility allows businesses to experiment and innovate without a long-term commitment. Pop-up shops are all about creating a sense of excitement and urgency. The limited-time nature of these shops makes them a hot topic among shoppers. Their temporary nature makes them feel exclusive and encourages customers to visit before it's too late. This exclusivity can drive foot traffic and boost sales. This limited-time offer aspect can be a powerful motivator for shoppers. It creates a sense of urgency that can lead to quick purchasing decisions. Pop-up shops are a great way for businesses to test the waters before committing to a long-term lease. They provide a low-risk opportunity to gauge customer interest and market demand. This makes them ideal for startups and small businesses with limited budgets. By minimizing overhead costs, pop-up shops allow these businesses to thrive and grow in a competitive market. The beauty of the pop-up shop concept is its versatility. These temporary retail spaces can transform any location into a vibrant marketplace, offering a unique shopping experience that is both dynamic and engaging. Let's explore the diverse world of pop-up shops, where creativity knows no bounds and innovation is the name of the game. Retail pop-ups. These are the most common type. They offer a curated selection of products, often with a specific theme or target audience. From high-end fashion to unique home decor, these shops provide a personalized shopping experience that can't be found in traditional retail stores. Imagine a pop-up shop showcasing sustainable fashion or handcrafted home decor. These shops not only offer unique products but also promote ethical and sustainable practices. Food pop-ups. Foodies rejoice! Food pop-ups are a feast for the senses. These temporary eateries bring gourmet food to the streets, offering everything from exotic dishes to comfort food classics. A chef might set up a temporary eatery to test out new recipes, or a bakery might offer seasonal treats. These pop-ups provide a platform for culinary innovation and allow food entrepreneurs to connect directly with their customers. Seasonal pop-ups. These capitalize on holidays and special occasions. They create a festive atmosphere that draws in shoppers looking for unique holiday-themed products. Picture a pop-up shop selling Halloween costumes or a Christmas market bursting with festive cheer. These shops bring the holiday spirit to life and offer a one-of-a-kind shopping experience. Mobile pop-ups. These are the nomads of the pop-up world. They operate out of trucks, trailers, or even bicycles, bringing their goods directly to the streets. This mobility allows them to reach a wider audience and adapt to different locations. Brand experience pop-ups. These go beyond selling. They focus on creating immersive experiences that connect customers with the brand's story. These pop-ups often feature interactive displays and events that engage the senses and leave a lasting impression. Think of a tech company launching a new product with interactive demos. These pop-ups provide a hands-on experience that allows customers to engage with the product in a meaningful way, making the brand more memorable and impactful. The rise of pop-up shops isn't just a fad, it's a smart business strategy. These temporary retail spaces are popping up everywhere, from busy city streets to shopping malls, and even at events and festivals. Let's break down the key benefits of why businesses are increasingly turning to pop-up shops. Low overhead costs. Pop-up shops offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional retail spaces. With lower rent and fewer long-term commitments, businesses can save a significant amount of money. Short-term leases and minimal overhead mean you can test your ideas without breaking the bank. This flexibility allows businesses to experiment with different locations and concepts. Buzzworthy marketing. The temporary nature of pop-up shops creates a sense of excitement and urgency, generating buzz and attracting customers. Limited time offers and exclusive products can drive foot traffic and social media engagement. Direct customer interaction pop-ups allow you to engage face-to-face with your target audience. This personal interaction can lead to deeper connections and a better understanding of customer needs. You can gather valuable feedback, build relationships, and create loyal customers. This direct feedback loop is invaluable for refining products and services. Market testing ground. Want to see if your product will be a hit? Pop-up shops provide a low-risk environment to test new markets and gather valuable data. You can observe customer reactions and make adjustments on the fly. This real-time feedback can be crucial for startups and established brands alike, helping them to pivot and improve their offerings. Brand-building powerhouse pop-up shops offer a blank canvas to showcase your brand's personality and create memorable experiences that stick with customers. From unique decor to interactive displays, the possibilities are endless. These immersive experiences can leave a lasting impression, turning visitors into brand advocates who share their experiences both online and offline. Ready to dive into the exciting world of pop-up shops? Here's a step-by-step guide. Define your concept. What will you sell or showcase? Who is your target audience? What's your pop-up's unique selling proposition? Set a budget. Determine how much you can spend on rent, inventory, marketing, and other expenses. Find the perfect location. Consider foot traffic, demographics, and accessibility. Look for spaces that align with your brand and target audience. Craft an irresistible theme. Create a cohesive and visually appealing theme that will attract attention and draw customers in. Spread the word. Utilize social media, local advertising, and partnerships to create buzz and drive traffic to your pop-up. Theme it up. Creative ideas to get you started. The right theme can make your pop-up shop unforgettable. Here are a few creative themes to inspire you. Artisan Market. Feature locally made crafts, handmade jewelry, and unique art pieces. Pet Pampering Paradise. Cater to furry friends with pet treats, accessories, and grooming services. Asterisk Vintage Finds. Curate a collection of vintage clothing, accessories, and home decor. Cashing in on creativity, revenue streams for pop-up shops. Pop-up shops can be profitable ventures. Here are several ways to generate revenue. Product sales. This is the most obvious revenue stream, offering a curated selection of products at various price points. Workshops and classes. Share your skills and knowledge by hosting workshops or classes related to your products or theme. Food and beverage sales. If your concept allows, offer refreshments, snacks, or even full meals to enhance the customer experience. Partnerships and collaborations. Team up with complementary businesses to offer package deals, cross-promote, and expand your reach. Brand activations. Create engaging experiences that promote brand awareness and generate leads. Tools of the trade essentials for pop-up success. To ensure your pop-up shop runs smoothly, you'll need a few essential tools. Point of sale POS system. A mobile POS system allows you to process transactions, track inventory, and manage sales data. Display fixtures and furniture. Invest in attractive and functional displays to showcase your products and create an inviting atmosphere. Signage and decorations. Clear signage, eye-catching banners, and thematic decorations will attract attention and enhance your brand identity. Marketing materials. Business cards, flyers, and promotional materials will help you spread the word and drive traffic to your pop-up. Lighting and music. Proper lighting and carefully curated music can set the mood and create a more enjoyable shopping experience. Location, choosing the right spot. The success of your pop-up shop hinges heavily on its location. Here's what to consider. Foot traffic. Opt for areas with high foot traffic, ensuring your target audience will see your shop. Demographics. Research the demographics of the area to ensure it aligns with your target market. Accessibility. Choose a location that's easily accessible by public transportation and has ample parking. Competition. Be mindful of competitors in the area. Consider if there are complementary businesses that could enhance your pop-up's appeal. Budget. Factor in rental costs when choosing a location. Negotiate favorable terms, especially for short-term leases. A marketing magic spreading the word about your pop-up. Effective marketing is crucial to drawing crowds to your pop-up shop. Social media power. Harness the power of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to create buzz, share behind-the-scenes glimpses, and announce special promotions. Local partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses, influencers, and community groups to cross-promote your pop-up and tap into their networks. Email marketing. Collect email addresses to build a list and send out targeted announcements, updates, and exclusive offers. Press coverage. Reach out to local media outlets and bloggers to generate press coverage and pique the interest of a wider audience. Signage and flyers. Don't underestimate the power of traditional marketing. Strategically placed signs and flyers can effectively direct foot traffic to your pop-up.